Okay, guys. Oh man, today I found the treasure hunt. We'll trash it out, guys. For 2026, got it at the Walmart near me. Look at that black. The matte black is really nice in the gold. The back. Name will trash it out. Truck type city strength stink proof crash tech compactor crash. That is so cool. I love the colors on that. Let's go ahead and open it. Ooh. Okay. Look at this beauty. Oh man, that is so cool. Isn't that cool, guys? Look at that. The gold Hot Wheels. That's really nice. And the rust on the garbage chute. Gold lines on the tires. Red lines. Gold rims and bead locks. Red roll cage. Black chassis. The color combination is so cool. As the headlight printing Hot Wheels with the gold window. Gold steps. That is so cool. The motor insert. Of course, this opens. It's not opening. I don't know why. Oh, I can put it back. I didn't break it, right? Okay. Blooper. There's the back. Alright, guys. I'm going to put this back. Please hold. Alright, guys. Sorry, blooper. I got the door back. I see I didn't break it. That's what it looks like. So that's it, guys. Like, subscribe, comment on the Hot Wheels in the back in red. Like, subscribe, comment. Sure, I have more videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.